Good evening, students. Today let us solve some more problems on differentiation. Let's have a look at the first question of the day. That is question number 21. Yes. If y is equal to cot inverse cosecant x minus cot x, then what is dy by dx? See here they have given that y is equal to cot inverse of cosecant x minus cot x. That cosecant x I will write as 1 by sin x. And cot x, as you know, it is nothing but cos x divided by sin x. So this is equal to cot inverse of, see, 1 by sin x minus cos x by sin x. I'll write this as 1 minus cos x divided by sin x. Okay, that's equal to cot inverse of 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2. And the sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay. Now, here 2 gets cancelled. Sin x by 2 gets cancelled. Then in the numerator there will be sin x by 2 and the denominator contains cos x by 2. Sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. I can write that as tan x by 2. Okay. So now here we have cot inverse of tan x by 2. So I would like to have cot here. So I want to express tan in terms of cot. What do? I'll write cot 90 minus theta. Cot pi by 2 minus x by 2. Tan x by 2 is equal to cot of pi by 2 minus x by 2. As we know, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. That I am using here. So tan x by 2 can be written as cot of pi by 2 minus x by 2. Cot inverse of cot pi by 2 minus x by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus x by 2. Now we differentiate this. Y dash is equal to derivative of pi by 2 is 0, derivative of minus x by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, which is the second option. Then 23rd question. dy by dx of tan inverse of x by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse of 1 plus x square by x is equal to. See now, first term I will keep it as it is. Tan inverse of x by 1 plus x square I will keep it as it is. In the second term, there is tan inverse of 1 plus x square by x. Tan inverse of 1 plus x square by x, I will write this as cot inverse of x by 1 plus x square. I can write this as cot inverse of x divided by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse of 1 plus x square by x can be written as cot inverse of x by 1 plus x square. As you know, cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 1 by x. I am using that property here. Now you look at this. Tan inverse x by 1 plus x square plus cot inverse x by 1 plus x square. This looks like tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. It's a very well known formula that is equal to pi by 2. So now this sum is pi by 2. As we know that pi by 2 is a constant. So now we are asked to differentiate pi by 2. What is the derivative of pi by 2? Derivative of pi by 2 is equal to 0. Pi by 2 is a constant. So its derivative is 0. First option. Then 24th question. Secant inverse of root x plus 1. I mean, we want the derivative of secant inverse of root x plus 1 divided by root x minus 1 plus sin inverse of root x minus 1 by root x plus 1 is equal to. Okay. See here, very similar to the previous problem. The secant inverse root x plus 1 by root x minus 1, we can write in terms of cos inverse. Cos inverse of root x minus 1 divided by root x plus 1. Plus sin inverse of root x minus 1 by root x plus 1. Okay. So now it looks like cos inverse x plus sin inverse x. Cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So this sum is pi by 2. Derivative of pi by 2 is 0. Second option now. Then 25th question. If y is equal to sin inverse of root of 1 minus x by 2, then what is dy by dx? Y equal to sin inverse of root 1 minus x divided by 2. Sin inverse of root of 1 minus x by 2. then what is dy by dx? Okay. So for this problem I will make a substitution. When you see root of 1 minus x, the usual substitution is put x equal to cos theta, either cos theta or cos 2 theta. Then let us see what happens. Y will be equal to sin inverse of root of 1 minus cos theta divided by 2. I am putting x as cos theta, and that will imply that theta is equal to cos inverse x. Okay, I am writing x as cos theta. Now 1 minus cos theta, I can write 1 minus cos theta as we know 1 minus cos theta is nothing but 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Now 2 gets cancelled. Sin inverse of square root of sin square theta by 2. Square root of sin square theta by 2, we shall write it as sin theta by 2. That's equal to sin inverse of sin theta by 2 is nothing but theta by 2. What is our theta? We have taken cos theta, x is equal to cos theta, that implies theta is equal to cos inverse x. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into cos inverse x. This is our y. So we have y is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Now let us differentiate this. We want dy by dx, or let me call it as y dash. Dy by dx is also denoted by y dash, as we know. So now 1 by 2 into derivative of cos inverse x. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Hence the answer is minus 1 by 2 into root 1 minus x square, which is the first option. Then 27th question. dy by dx of tan inverse of root x plus root a divided by 1 minus root of ax. Okay. Tan inverse of root x plus root a divided by 1 minus root of ax. I like call that expression as y. Okay. So I take it as y, and y is equal to tan inverse of root x plus root a divided by 1 minus root of ax is there, that can be written as root a into root x. Okay. Root of ax can be written as root a into root x. Now this looks like tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Now tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy, that's equal to, we know the formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Therefore, this will be equal to tan inverse of x, x means tan inverse of root x, plus tan inverse of root a. Tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy, that's equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse. A is a constant, therefore tan inverse root a is also a constant, hence the derivative of this expression will be 0. So we just have to differentiate this. So y dash is equal to derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. So the derivative of tan inverse of root x is 1 by 1 plus root x whole square, which is x, into the derivative of root x. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So the answer is 1 by 2 root x into 1 plus x, which is the first option. Then question 28. If y is equal to tan inverse of 3 minus x into root x divided by 1 minus 3x, then what is dy by dx? Y equal to tan inverse of, we have 3 minus x into root x. I will write that as 3 root x minus x root x. I am just multiplying. 3 minus x into root x is there, so it will be 3 root x minus x root x divided by 1 minus 3x. Okay. Now we will make a substitution here. That substitution is put root x equal to tan theta. I will take root x equal to tan theta. This will imply that theta is equal to tan inverse of root x. I am taking root x equal to tan theta, therefore theta is equal to tan inverse root x. Okay, fine. Now y equal to tan inverse of 3 into root x is there, so I will write it as 3 tan theta minus x into root x. Root x is tan theta, so this x will be tan square theta. Okay, So we have tan square theta into tan theta. It will become tan cube theta. I have taken a root x as tan theta, so x will be tan square theta. Here you will have tan square theta into tan theta. It has become tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 into x. What is x? Root x is tan theta, so x is tan square theta. So we get 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay. Now look at this expression. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. That's nothing but tan 3 theta. I don't think I should explain from where we got that formula. Okay. You all know that formula. Should know that formula. Okay. So 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is equal to tan 3 theta. Now tan inverse of tan 3 theta is equal to 3 theta. Okay. What is theta? We got y is equal to 3 theta. Theta you write tan inverse x. So 3 theta means 3 tan inverse root x. Okay. Y equal to 3 tan inverse root x. Now we want its derivative, differentiate. Y dash equal to 3 into derivative of tan inverse of root x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So derivative of tan inverse root x is 1 by 1 plus root x whole square, which is x, into the derivative of root x, that is 1 by 2 root x. So the answer is 3 by 2 into 1 plus x into root x. As you can see, second option, 3 by 2 into 1 plus x into root x. Second option is the right answer. Then, question 30. If y is equal to sine of 2 sine inverse x, then dy by dx is equal to y is equal to sine of 2 sine inverse x. Then what is dy by dx? Okay. Observe here, this is of the form y is equal to f of x. Okay. We have y a function of x. Here y is expressed as an explicit function of x. It's on the form y is equal to f of x. So when I differentiate it, dy by dx will be equal to f dash of x. So that will be another function of x only. So as it is, if I differentiate, I am going to get another function of x only. But now you look at all the options. Every option contains x as well as y. All the options are in terms of x and y. They are all functions of x and y. Okay. So what do? I will write this as, from this equation, I can write sine inverse y is equal to 2 sine inverse x. Did you understand this step? Y is equal to sine 2 sine inverse x. Therefore, sine inverse y is equal to 2 sine inverse x. Okay, by definition of inverse trigonometric function, you can write y is equal to sine theta. That will imply that theta is equal to sine inverse y. Right? So from here, sine inverse y is equal to 2 sine inverse x. Now you differentiate it. Differentiating with respect to x. When I differentiate this with respect to x, we get 1 by root of 1 minus y square into dy by dx is equal to 2 into the derivative of sine inverse x. Derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, cross multiply. Dy by dx is equal to 2 into root of 1 minus y square divided by 1 minus x square. Dy by dx equal to 2 into root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. Here it is. Okay. Third option is the right answer. Then, question 31. Dy by dx of cot inverse of 3 minus 2 tan x divided by 2 plus 3 tan x. I'll call that as y. Let y equal to cot inverse of 3 minus 2 tan x divided by 2 plus 3 tan x. Okay. Cot inverse of 3 minus 2 tan x divided by 2 plus 3 tan x. Okay. This is cot inverse x. I write cot inverse x as tan inverse of 1 by x. I can write this as tan inverse of 2 plus 3 tan x divided by 3 minus 2 tan x. So 2 plus 3 tan x divided by 3 minus 2 tan x. Now I will divide both the numerator and denominator by 3. Let us divide this by 3. When I divide by 3, here 2 by 3 plus, here 3 gets cancelled, so tan x. Here 3 gets cancelled, 1. Here it will be minus 2 by 3 into tan x. Okay? Now we observe it's of the form tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So this is equal to tan inverse of x means 2 by 3, plus tan inverse y means tan x. This is y. Okay, now y is equal to tan inverse 2 by 3 plus tan inverse of tan x is nothing but x. So we got y is equal to tan inverse 2 by 3 plus x. We want dy by dx. Differentiate it. The derivative of this will be 0 because 2 by 3 is constant. Therefore, tan inverse 2 by 3 is also a constant. So the derivative of this is 0. The derivative of this is 1. So the answer is 1, which is the fourth option. Okay. Now some of you may get one doubt here. That is, sir, when you explain this, okay, we have understood. But how do we get to know that we should divide by 3 only? Why not by 2? Why not by any other? Still there are infinitely many numbers. But among them, why did you choose 3 only? Is that your doubt? Okay, I'll clarify that doubt now. See here, why did I divide by 3 only? Is because, keep an eye on this. Here, look at this term. We want to make this as 1. See, this is of the form either tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Either I want it in this form or I want it in this form. That is tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. Either tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy or tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. In both cases, this position must be 1. So we have to make this as 1. So how can I make it as 1? There is 3, so I divide by 3 in order to make it as 1. Okay, then you know. So here the answer is 1. That's fourth option. Next question, 35. If y equal to sin inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, then dy by dx equal to sin inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Minus 3x. Then what is dy by dx? I'll put x equal to sin theta. Okay? When I put x equal to sin theta, this y will be equal to sin inverse of 4 sin cube theta minus 3 sin theta. 4 sin cube theta minus 3 sin theta. Okay, that's equal to. Is it the formula for sin 3 theta? No. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. But what we have here is 4 sin cube theta minus 3 sin theta. I'll take minus as a common factor. Minus of 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is nothing but sin 3. So minus sin 3 theta. Sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x. So this will be minus sin inverse of sin 3 theta. Sin inverse of sin 3 theta is equal to 3 theta. So we get y is equal to minus 3 theta. What is theta? We have made a substitution as x equal to sin theta. Therefore theta is equal to sin inverse x. Therefore this y will be equal to minus 3 sin inverse x. Y equal to minus 3 sin inverse x. Differentiate it. Y dash is equal to minus 3 by root of 1 minus x square. Minus 3 into derivative of sin inverse x. Derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root 1 minus x square. So the answer is minus 3 by root 1 minus x square, which is the second option. Go to the next problem. 36. If y is equal to tan inverse of 6x minus 8x cube divided by 1 minus 12x square, then what is dy by dx? We have tan inverse of 6x minus 8x cube. 6x minus 8x cube divided by 1 minus 12x square. Right? 6x minus 8x cube divided by 1 minus 12x square. Here I will make a substitution. That substitution is put 2x equal to tan theta. Okay? Put 2x equal to tan theta. That will imply that theta is equal to tan inverse of 2x. Okay? 2x equal to tan theta will imply theta is equal to tan inverse of 2x. Right? Now substitute. Y equal to tan inverse of 6x is that. 6x can be written as 3 into 2x. I'll write 2x as tan theta, so this will become 3 tan theta. Minus 8x cube. 8x cube is nothing but 2x whole cube. 2x is tan theta, so 2x whole cube will become tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 12 into x square. That 12 I'll write as 3 into 4x square. 4x square can be written as 2x whole square, so it will become 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now you know in which direction we are heading. Yes, you are right. This 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, that's nothing but tan 3 theta. So tan inverse of tan 3 theta, that's equal to 3 theta. Y is equal to 3 theta. What is theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of 2x. So we have y is equal to 3 tan inverse 2x. Let's differentiate this now. So y dash is equal to 3 into derivative of tan inverse of 2x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So here 1 by 1 plus 2x whole square, which means 4x square, into the derivative of 2x, which is 2. So the answer is 6 divided by 1 plus 4x square. 6 by 1 plus 4x square, which is the second option. Then 37th question. Y is equal to cos inverse of 9 minus x square by 9 plus x square. Then y dash of minus 1 is equal to y dash of minus 1 is equal to. Okay. We have cos inverse of 9 minus x square divided by 9 plus x square. Okay. Then what is y dash of minus 1? Y dash of minus 1 means first you have to find out what is y dash. That means dy by dx you have to find out. Then in that dy by dx put x equal to minus 1. That is what we have to find out now. Okay. So now I will divide by 9. I'll write this as 1 minus x square by 9. X square by 9 can also be written as x by 3 whole square. Divided by 1 plus x by 3 whole square. Okay. So this is of the form cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. You can see this. This is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. It's of this form. And during inverse trigonometric functions, you have come across one formula of course. This is equal to what? This is equal to 2 tan inverse x. You know this formula. For 2 tan inverse x, you have, of course, you have several formulae. 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, or sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, or cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. This is one of those formulas. Cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, we can write as 2 tan inverse x. But the question is it true for all values of x? The answer is no. It is true only if x is positive. X is greater than 0. But if x is less than 0, what happens? When x is less than 0, this will be equal to minus 2 tan inverse x. If x is less than 0. At 0, anything you can take because both are okay. Because at 0, both will give you 0 only. 2 tan inverse 0, here also minus 2 tan inverse 0 means tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 0, that's equal to 0. Okay, so here cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square will be equal to 2 tan inverse x if x is positive, and it's equal to minus 2 tan inverse x if x is negative. But now, how do we get to know whether x by 3 is positive or negative? Okay, so according to that formula, if I directly use, I should be able to write this as 2 tan inverse of x by 3. But our doubt is, should I write 2 tan inverse x by 3 or should I write minus 2 tan inverse x by 3? If the question is only find dy by dx, then we should have that doubt. But now that we are asked to find out dy by dx at minus 1, at minus 1. Look at the real numbers. This is 0. Here you have 1, 2, 3, etc. On this side minus 1, minus 2, etc. We are asked to find out y dash of minus 1. Y dash of minus 1 means find dy by dx at this point. So you choose a neighborhood of minus 1. In this interval, what is x? Is it positive or negative? It is negative. X is negative. If x is negative, what about x by 3? That is also negative. So this x by 3 is negative. Therefore, it will become minus 2 tan inverse of x by 3. Minus 2 tan inverse of x by 3. You will get. Okay, this is our y. Now we differentiate. Y dash equal to minus 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square by 9. 1 by tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. So 1 by 1 plus x by 3 whole square, which is x square by 9 into the derivative x by 3, which is 1 by 3. This is y dash. We are asked to find out y dash of minus 1. Right? So put x equal to minus 1. Minus 2 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by 9. Then what do you get? 9 plus 1, 10 by 9. 3 gets cancelled. 10 by 3. 3 you bring it up. You will get minus 6 by 10. That can be written as minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. First option is the correct answer. However, in our CET book, in the answer key it is given as 3 by 5. Make that correction, it is wrong. Y dash of minus 1 means we should consider this formula and not this. If you consider this formula, then you will get the answer as plus 3 by 5, which is wrong. Answer should be minus 3 by 5. You make that correction in the answer. Next question. If y is equal to x square plus 1 to the power sin x, then y dash of 0 is equal to. Okay. Here I would like to use one formula. Already I think I have explained you that formula. Whenever you come across a problem of this kind, y is equal to a function of this kind, y is equal to f of x to the power g of x. Base is one function and its power is another function, f of x to the power g of x. Then what is dy by dx? Then dy by dx is equal to, there is a direct formula, that is y into g of x into f dash of x divided by f of x plus g dash of x into log f of x. Do you remember this formula? It can be derived by taking log and differentiating to get that. So I advise you to remember this formula. Same question in PUC, it will be asked for 3 marks. There you don't use this formula. There you take log and then differentiate to get the answer. But in CET, this question will be asked for 1 mark. I mean, not only this question, all the other questions also will be asked for 1 mark only. So there, better you use this formula so that you can get the answer quickly. Okay. So in this problem, here we are talking about y is equal to what? X square plus 1 to the power sin x. So in place of f of x, we have x square plus 1. And in place of g of x we have sin x, right? So what is dy by dx now? Y into, what is y? X square plus 1 to the power sin x into g of x. G of x, what is g of x? Sin x. Then f dash of x, f of x is sin x. Sorry, f of x is x square plus 1. F dash of x, its derivative is 2x, divided by f of x, x square plus 1, plus g dash of x, g of x is sin x, g dash of x is cos x, into log f of x. Log f of x means log of f of x is x square plus 1, log x square plus 1. This is dy by dx or y dash. We are asked to find out y dash at 0. Y dash at x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 power 0 is 1. Into, this is 0 only. 0 into 0 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. Into log 0 plus 1. Log 1 divided. Log 1 value is 0. So 0. Answer is 0. Okay. Next. 40th question. If x is equal to a cos cube t, y is equal to a sin cube t, then dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 3 is x equal to a cos cube t, y is equal to a sin cube t. Dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 3. Dy by dx. Dy by dx is nothing but, here you observe that function is expressed in parametric form. Both x and y are expressed in terms of a third variable t. So dy by dx is given by dy, you know the formula, dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt, differentiate this, you get 3a sin square t into cos t divided by, differentiate dx by dt, differentiate this, that will give you 3a cos square t into minus sin t. Okay, 3a gets cancelled, sin t, cos t, everything gets cancelled. Will there be anything left? Yes. Sin t will remain in the numerator and cos t will remain in the denominator, and of course a minus sign. So we are left with minus sin t divided by cos t, which is equal to minus tan t. This is dy by dx. We are asked to find dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 3. Put t equal to pi by 3 now. Tan pi by 3 is root 3. So the answer is minus root 3. Minus root 3, which is the third option. Then. Okay, that's enough for this class. I will solve this problem in the next class. Thank you.